Hello fellow tech geeks! The first thing we'll be doing today is unboxing the JBL Xtreme portable speakers. This is their top of the line and it's said to be splash proof, as you can see by the little water thingies around the edges here. Let's open it up and see what they give you. Here's the box. We're gonna open it up. JBL Xtreme. It's a good quality cardboard. We'll pull off the top here. And it looks like we have instructions, and then this is empty now. We have a brick charger like so. Push this upside down and lift the box. There's a little thing here. This is a nice strap. Little metal locking mechanisms. And inside this, and there it is. It almost feels like a bottle of Coke or Sprite. Pick your favorite drink, and just for comparison's sake, I have a bottle of water next to it. You have your strap, you have your charger, you have the instructions, water bottles not included. But for a size comparison, there it is. On top, you have these buttons, and actually you can feel them because they're recessed or raised up. So basically you don't even have to look at it. All you have to do is put your finger on it and you can feel for where the volume goes up, the volume goes down, the power goes on, fast forward, Bluetooth button. And this is a really nice material. If you can hear me scratching it now, it's like a cloth. Yeah, and this is supposed to ward off water, which is awesome. And on the back, you have what looks like a zipper. Looks like the power plug goes in the right side there. You have 1 and 2 USB ports there. You have, looks like auxiliary in if you want to have a direct connector, connection to a wire. Bottle of water, speaker. This thing weighs between 4.5 to 5 pounds, which is the same weight as my 15.6 inch laptop. And we have this to connect this to the carry strap. And once you have that, you can easily just do this and sling it over your shoulder. So what we're going to do now is play some music by connecting these two phones via Bluetooth to this speaker. Now, this is capable of holding 3 different Bluetooth devices, but for now we're going to test 2 of them. Let's turn this on. Wow, that's awesome. You can hear the bass. You can actually feel the bass. Now, you can see the little LED lights here. There's 4 of them, as you can see, but there's actually 5 for the power maximum. And they'll blink when you are charging them up. So let's turn on the Bluetooth and press play. It's connected to one of them. Notice how it transitioned from that to this when I press play. So that's interesting. When you press the button, it'll switch back and forth. So you can have a little war with your friends, or just easily switch. This and this. Press play here. Switched over. Press play here. And it switched over. Alright, so I've sort of decided that I want to test out the splashiness of this thing. So I'm gonna go and jump in the shower with it and see if it still works without sizzling up. I don't know if this is such a good idea. Well, if this thing can withstand a couple of splashes of water, so can I. Right? How bad could it be? All right, guy, let's zipper him up. Plastic pants. Plastic poncho. Is that a chair? Here goes nothing. I'm wet! But it still works! I got wet even with my raincoat on, but this thing seems to still work great. The water's just beating off of this material here. Audio's still good and loud. Yeah, nice.